In today's video, we will explore the exciting world of promoting ClickBank products using free traffic strategies. If you're new to affiliate marketing, this is the perfect starting point. We'll dive into effective methods for driving traffic without spending a dime, making it accessible for anyone eager to earn online. Do you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and all the cool tips that can help you earn great money? Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you in advance. Affiliate marketing is a powerful avenue for beginners to generate income, and ClickBank offers a vast marketplace filled with high-quality products. By leveraging free traffic sources, you can tap into this potential without the burden of upfront costs. Imagine earning commissions while sharing products you believe in. Affiliate marketing's beauty lies in its flexibility and the opportunity to create a sustainable income stream. Throughout this video, we'll discuss various techniques for attracting visitors to your offers, ensuring you maximize your earning potential. So, whether you're looking to supplement your income or build a full-time business, stay tuned as we uncover the secrets to success in promoting ClickBank products with free traffic. Step 1. Create a ClickBank account and choose a product. To kickstart your journey in promoting ClickBank products, the first step is to visit clickbank.com and sign up for a free account, or just go to the description below and I have provided the link for you. The registration process is straightforward, requiring only basic information. Once your account is set up, you'll gain access to a vast marketplace filled with various products across multiple niches. There is a link below for you to get quick access to ClickBank. Next, take some time to browse the marketplace and find a product that genuinely interests you. Choosing a niche you are passionate about will make your promotional efforts more authentic and enjoyable. Look for products that resonate with your audience and align with your interests. As you explore, pay close attention to the gravity score of each product. This score indicates the popularity and sales performance of the item among affiliates. Selecting a product with a good gravity score ensures that you're promoting something that has proven to be successful, increasing your chances of earning commissions. With your ClickBank account ready and a product in hand, you're well on your way to launching your affiliate marketing journey. Step 2. Understand your target audience. Understanding your target audience is crucial for successful ClickBank promotions. Start by identifying potential customers' demographics and interests. Consider factors such as age, gender, location, and lifestyle. Knowing your audience will help you craft messages that resonate with them. Next, dive into research by exploring forums and social media groups related to your niche. These platforms are goldmines for insights, allowing you to see what questions people are asking, what problems they face, and what solutions they seek. Engaging in these communities can also help you build relationships and establish credibility. To further refine your marketing strategy, create a customer avatar. This is a detailed profile of your ideal customer, encompassing their motivations, pain points, and preferences. By visualizing your target audience, you can tailor your marketing efforts to address their specific needs and desires. Understanding your audience not only enhances your promotional strategies, but also increases the likelihood of converting leads into loyal customers. With this knowledge, you're ready to move forward confidently. Step 3. Utilize social media platforms for promotion. Leveraging social media platforms is an effective way to promote ClickBank products and reach your target audience. Start by choosing platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, where your potential customers are most active. Each platform offers unique opportunities to connect and engage with users. Once you've selected your platforms, join relevant groups and communities that align with your niche. Actively participate in discussions and engage with members by providing valuable insights and solutions to their problems. This approach builds trust and positions you as an authority in your field. When it comes to sharing your affiliate links, focus on a non-spammy approach. Instead of simply posting links, create helpful content that addresses your audience's needs. These could be informative posts, engaging videos, or eye-catching graphics that naturally incorporate your affiliate products. By prioritizing value over promotion, you'll foster genuine connections and increase the likelihood of conversions. With a strategic social media presence, you can effectively drive traffic to your ClickBank offers and boost your earnings. Step 4. Leverage content marketing through blogs or videos. Content marketing is a powerful tool for promoting ClickBank products, and creating a blog or YouTube channel focused on your niche is an excellent way to start. By establishing a platform, you can share valuable information and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Focus on producing high-quality content that addresses your audience's pain points and interests. Whether you choose to write informative blog posts or create engaging videos, ensure that your content is both relevant and helpful. This approach not only builds trust, but also positions you as an expert in your field. As you create content, remember to include your affiliate links naturally within the material. This could be through product reviews, tutorials, or recommendations that seamlessly integrate your links. By doing so, you provide your audience with easy access to the products you endorse, while maintaining the integrity of your content. Leveraging content marketing effectively can drive traffic to your ClickBank offers, enhance your credibility, and ultimately increase your commissions. Step 5. Engage in email marketing. Email marketing is a vital strategy for promoting ClickBank products and nurturing relationships with your audience. Start by building an email list, which you can achieve by offering a freebie related to your niche, such as an ebook, checklist, or exclusive content. This incentive encourages visitors to subscribe and provides you with a valuable audience to engage. Once you have your email list, send regular newsletters filled with valuable content that resonates with your subscribers. Share tips, insights, and updates that address their needs and interests. This consistent communication helps to establish trust and keeps your audience engaged. Incorporate your ClickBank affiliate links within your emails, but do so thoughtfully. Rather than bombarding your subscribers with promotions, weave your links into helpful recommendations or product reviews. This approach ensures that your emails remain informative and valuable, increasing the likelihood of conversions. By effectively engaging in email marketing, you can drive traffic to your ClickBank offers, foster loyalty, and ultimately boost your earnings. Step 6. Track and optimize your efforts. Tracking and optimizing your promotional efforts is essential for maximizing your success with ClickBank products. Start by utilizing tracking tools to monitor clicks and conversions from your affiliate links. These tools provide valuable insights into how your audience interacts with your content, allowing you to see which products resonate most. Once you have this data, analyze which strategies are working effectively and which ones may need adjustment. Understanding your audience's behavior will help you refine your approach, ensuring that you focus on the tactics that yield the best results. Continuous testing is key to improvement. Experiment with different content formats, promotional techniques, and messaging styles to see what drives the most engagement and conversions. Whether it's tweaking your email subject lines or trying new social media posts, small changes can lead to significant results. By consistently tracking your performance and optimizing your strategies, you can enhance your ClickBank promotions, increase your commissions, and build a sustainable affiliate marketing business over time. In this video, we've covered essential steps to promote ClickBank products and maximize your earning potential effectively. We started by creating a ClickBank account and selecting a product that aligns with your interests. Next, we emphasized the importance of understanding your target audience and utilizing social media platforms for promotion. We then explored leveraging content marketing through blogs or videos and engaging in email marketing to nurture relationships with your audience. Finally, we discussed the significance of tracking and optimizing your efforts to ensure continuous improvement. Remember to like this video and subscribe to stay updated on ways to make money online. Now, it's time for you to take action. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your affiliate marketing journey unfold. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but you can achieve your goals with persistence and dedication. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Stay tuned for more valuable content that will help you thrive in the world of affiliate marketing.